Think fast. In the next 3 minutes, we'll learn to compare negative and positive numbers. So let's see if you got this one right. Starting with this question, which is bigger, -2 or -1? It's helpful to think of this in terms of money. Would you rather lose $1 or lose $2? If you lose only $1 here, -1, you'll have more money in your pocket. -1, greater than -2. But in school, they like to use number lines. Let's try that. So the key is 0. That's where we shift from negative to positive. So if you look at -1 here and then -2, which one is closer to 0? -1 is closer to 0, so -1, that's greater than -2. It's closer to positive. Now you try one. Pause and give it a try. Which is greater, -2 or -3? So which one's closer to 0? Here's -2 and -3. -2 is closer to 0, closer to positive. It's going to be greater. All right, let's try a little bit of a tricky one. Pause and see if you can do this one. So 0, that's where we go from negative to positive. So 0 is closer to positive. 0 is going to be greater than -3. And would you rather lose $0 or $3? Yeah, 0 would be better. 0 is greater than -3. How about this one? Which number is greater here? Pause and give it a try. So 4 would be out here. And note, there's a positive in front of it. We just don't write that. But if we're a negative number, we're always going to have the negative. So +4 is right here. Here's our -3 right here. And positive numbers are bigger than negative numbers. Would you rather gain $4 or lose $3? I think you would rather gain 4. All right, one last one. A little bit tricky though. -1/2 or -1 1/2? Try that. So here's 0 and 1. So -1/2, that's right there. That's -1/2. For -1 1/2, we go to -1 and then another half right there. That is -1 1/2. So what's closer to 0? This right here. So -1/2 is greater than -1 1/2. So this stuff works with fractions too. So that's it. Jump over to the practice video, or you can even try the challenge video if you want. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.